An unprecedented tragedy for the city of Indianapolis. 2 medics killed in the line of duty. Tonight, we have team coverage as the community comes to terms with what happened. Funeral services and memorials will be held tomorrow and Wednesday for both Tim McCormick and Cody Medley, who died as a result of Saturday's ambulance crash. Our TV6 reporter Jack Reinhardt joins us live tonight from Crown Hill Cemetery, where visitation is underway for Tim McCormick. Jack.
Well, Todd, members of this rather large Indianapolis public safety community have been meeting here at Crown Hill Cemetery for the better part of an hour, not only taking a measure of comfort from each other, but also to honor a fallen colleague. A memorial to the fallen, the lifesavers who died early Saturday morning in the line of duty.
My name is Tim McCormick. I'm an Eagle Scout, college student, and professional EMT living in Indianapolis, Indiana.
How are you doing?
Great.
Good.
24-year-old Tim McCormick, a transplant from New York State, was heavily engaged in his work and this community. His passion, attending health fairs and teaching the public the life-saving skills of CPR. He died shortly after the crash. 22-year-old Cody Medley died early Sunday. Medley enjoyed the outdoors, and before his EMS training here in Indianapolis, he worked as a volunteer firefighter in Ripley County.
We lost 2 great young paramedics and EMTs, Timothy McCormick and Cody Medley, who were serving the people of the city of Indianapolis, doing their job to save the lives of others.
The accident occurred early Saturday morning at the intersection of Senate Avenue and St. Clair Street. The 21-year-old driver who struck the ambulance told investigators that she had consumed 1.5 drinks prior to the accident. The blood alcohol results won't be available until sometime this week.
We're hanging out together, helping each other out, texting each other, calling each other, just being there for each other. My phone's been busy since this started. So we're just trying to get through.
Questions still remain about that blood alcohol result. The medics who treated the 21-year-old driver at the scene said they could not detect any odor of alcohol, but a police officer at the hospital says he could. And given the tragic circumstances of this incident, Metro Police will no doubt give this investigation whatever time and attention it needs. Live at Crown Hill Cemetery, Jack Reinhardt, RTV6.
Jack, thank you. Tomorrow, there's a mass for Tim McCormick at Saints Peter and Paul Cathedral downtown at 10:30 a.m. A public safety memorial for both McCormick and paramedic Cody Medley will be Wednesday at 10 a.m. at Clues Memorial Hall on the campus of Butler University. This is open to the public. Plans are still in the works for Cody Medley's memorial service.
The crash happened at the intersection of St. Clair and Senate just after McCormick and Medley left Methodist Hospital to restock their supplies. A memorial at the crash site has been growing through the weekend. Our TV6 reporter Chance Walser joins us live there with more on how the community is remembering these victims. Chance.
Erica, periodically today, people have been stopping here at St. Clair and Senate to reflect on what happened. Some knew the victims, others simply knew the dangers of the job. A man we spoke with drives an ambulance in Lafayette. He stopped here with his children today, in part so his kids can understand the dangers of his profession. Today and all weekend, there's been a steady stream of emergency vehicles here. Those who knew the victims described them both as passionate men and full of promise.
It has been devastating, and the pain from it is, it's definitely growing exponentially, because right now it still feels a little bit surreal.
Now, the mayor has asked that flags in the community fly at half-staff until both McCormick and Medley are laid to rest. Live downtown, Chance Walser, RTV6.
All right, thank you, Chance. And due to the tragic events this weekend, Mayor Greg Ballard today announced the rescheduling of the 2013 State of the City address. The State of the City, originally planned for tomorrow, will now be delivered by the mayor on Friday, March 8th at 1 p.m. at the Alexander Hotel.